Did you know that you can easily grow your own apples, pears, plums and cherries in your garden? And these are the nation's favourite varieties. They're easy to grow and they will give you fantastic crops for years. This mini orchard collection means that you're going to be picking your own fresh, delicious, organic fruit from July all the way through to October. You can either choose the 3-tree orchard collection, which includes the nation's favourite Braeburn apple, that's sweet but tart and beautifully crisp and crunchy, conference pear, which is so incredibly sweet with a gorgeous texture, Victoria plum, so popular in the UK, great for eating but also cooking, or you could go for the 4-tree collection, which will also give you the Stella cherry. That's UK's favourite eating cherry with that beautiful dark skin. All of these arrive as outstanding quality bare root fruit trees. They won't come with pots or compost, the roots will be all wrapped up, and every one of them has been grafted on what we call a mini rootstock. That stops the trees from growing too tall. They only get to 2.5 metres maximum. All of these amazing bare root fruit trees are multi-branched. They're not just a single stem or whip as we call it. They're all fully winter hardy, self-fertile and incredibly easy to grow. Your mini orchard collection will arrive dormant, and that's why you can only purchase them in autumn and winter. And when it arrives, all you need to do is unwrap the roots and then give them a really good soak overnight in a bucket of water. They then are ready to plant. Now, with them being small, you can grow them in our 30-litre heavy-duty pots using our premium professional compost, or you can plant them directly in the ground. They need a really nice sunny spot and well-drained soil, and to give them the best start in life, you may even want to sprinkle in some of our root grow. This wonderful mini orchard collection is super easy to look after. Just keep them well watered until fully established. Make sure they're in a nice sunny spot. They need no winter protection. They're fully winter hardy, and just a simple annual prune and a regular feed in their growing season without blooming fast. By following our simple care instructions, you will be enjoying your first blossoms in springtime in stunning pinks and whites. Then you'll be picking your first Stella cherries as early as July. They're going to be followed by delicious sweet Victoria plums in August. Then, of course, your conference pear in September. And finally, your Braeburn apples in October. That gives you 4 months of delicious homegrown fruit. And don't forget, you could use those fruits for baking and cooking, and you can even store your apples and pears for later in the year. So whether you're going for the 3 or 4-tree mini orchard collection, you're going to be picking kilos and kilos of delicious homegrown fruit for many years to come. And not only will it taste better, it also means that we're talking food meters rather than food miles. And although these will take a few years to establish, in year 2, year 3, you could be picking kilos and kilos of apples, pears, cherries and plums. So don't forget to order yours now.